Run, friends, and get in on this easy couponing deal on Dawn liquid dish detergent. I had to think about it because I always say it wrong. Let's go and get our free Dawn, completely free. I'll show you how to do it. We're going to go over it in a minute. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss the deals. So I picked up these big bottles of Dawn, and here's the UPC code in case you need it, in case you want to look for it at your store. These are the 70 fluid ounce or 70 ounces Dawn, completely free, and I'll show you how to do it. I'm gonna go over the deal in detail so you don't miss any of the details. Make sure you watch the entire video. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe. These were a total of $41 and change, and I got them completely free using my rewards that I earned from this deal that I'm gonna go over with you. Let's go ahead and go to the computer and I'll show you how to do this deal step by step so you're able to get in on it. And I have a bonus for you. I have a special bonus just for you if you don't have or have never signed up for Rakuten. I'm gonna go over that as well. Here's my reward, so you can see that I got $41.98 back, and here is my receipt, so you can see that I got these Dawn Dish Liquid Laundry, Dawn dishwashing liquids for completely free. So here we are, we're inside the computer now, so make sure everybody take your seat. We're gonna go ahead and start the deal step by step. Like I said, I don't want anybody to get confused. I wanna make sure that I answer everybody's questions. Yes, you could do this deal online for store pickup. Yes, you could do this deal online for shipping to your home. And yes, you could do this deal in store. You don't have to do it necessarily online like I did. You could do it in store, but I'll show you what we're gonna be picking up step by step. Make sure you sign in to your Office Depot Office Max account and or log in to your Office Depot Office Max app in order to do this deal. Let me go ahead and share my screen and I'll go over it step by step. So here we are. I'm on the Office Depot OfficeMax.com website, Office Depot in this case. And I'm gonna show you how to get the battery deal. This week it is back. I am so happy that it came back because I thought we were not gonna see it for a while, but we will be getting 100% it back in rewards bonus for purchasing the batteries. Let me go ahead and make my screen a little bit bigger so you can see it clearer. All right, let me know if you already did this deal, if you've done this deal before. I know it's super easy, super simple. You don't need to know how to coupon. You don't need to know anything here on this channel. Easy couponing. I try to make it as easy as possible for you to coupon and save your money. Let's go ahead and get started with this deal. We're gonna be getting 100% back in bonus rewards on the battery purchase. I'm gonna go ahead and show you which ones qualify. There's two different sizes. You can get the AA batteries or the AAA batteries. There's two options as well. There's a 16 count and there's a 24 count. So pick up the ones that you want, the ones that you need. The 16 count are $14.99 each, and the 24 count are $20.99 each. I went ahead and got the $20.99 each, the 24 count, because that way I'm saving money in the long run because I'm not gonna be buying batteries all the time. And we need batteries for basically anything, right? Remotes, kids need them for their toys. Some people need them for their blood pressure monitors or etc. I mean, we need them for everything. Batteries are always needed. Might as well get them now. Since the deal is 100% back in bonus rewards, might as well get them now that you're gonna be getting 100% back. Literally, it's telling you you're getting 100% back in rewards that you could later on use to get the Dawn, the Dawn dish soap that I showed you earlier. You're gonna be picking up whichever ones you want. Like I said, 16 or 24 pack. If you pick up the 24 pack, you're gonna be paying $41 and change for two of them. If you pick up the 16 pack, you're gonna be paying about $30 for two of these. Why do I say two? Because the limit here is 2 per account. Don't go purchasing 4, don't go purchasing 6, thinking you're gonna be getting 100% back on all of that, because you won't. You're limited to only 2 of these. So I chose one of the AAA packs and one of the AA packs. You could pick 2 AA's, 2 AAA's, whatever you want to get. I'm not telling you what to buy. I'm just showing you how to do it, and I'm showing you how to save money. Basically, that's all it is about. I'm not telling you what to buy, because I know somebody left a comment last time talking about, oh, well, you're pushing this and you're getting paid by this company. Nobody's paying me anything. That's the reality of things here. Nobody's paying me anything. I simply share with you, my YouTube family and friends, how to save your money. So here I'm adding to my cart 1 AA, 1 AAA battery, 24 packs each. That'll be $41 and change. Like I said, you pick whichever ones you need. It's super easy. All you need to do is have an Office Depot Office Max Rewards account. It's completely free. You need to enter your phone number, email address, name, and physical address. That's all you need to sign up. It's a rewards card. You don't pay anything. You don't have to sign up and give up any information. Super basic information that you need to give up here for this account. So make sure you sign up for it before you make your purchase, okay? You're gonna be using that phone number that you sign up, the sign up phone number that you used. You're gonna be using that phone number at checkout if you do this deal in store. Since I'm gonna be doing it online, or if you do it in the app, you simply log into your account and make sure you're signed in with the right account. Some people tell me, I didn't get my rewards and blah, 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 blah. And I had an old account and I have a new. Okay, did you sign in with the right account that was linked to your rewards? If you only signed in through Office Depot and that's it, you're probably not gonna get these rewards. You gotta sign in with your Office Depot Office Max Rewards account, and then you make your purchase. That's how you get the 100% back. It takes about 24 hours to get that into your account. So make the purchase today if you want. This deal is available all week until Saturday. The 2nd, I believe, February 2nd. So make sure you get in on this deal before it's gone. 100% back in rewards and $30 back in Rakuten if you sign up through my link, which I'll leave a link down in the description box. Sign up through my link. You're going to be getting a bonus of $30 cash. That is $30 cash money. If you haven't signed up for Rakuten before, make sure you sign up for Rakuten. You make cash back, or you earn cash back on every single purchase you do online through Rakuten. So make sure you sign up for Rakuten using the link in the description box or in the first comment in order for you to get in on this $30 bonus. Remember, if you already have an account or if you never had an account, make sure you sign up for Rakuten through my link. Don't go signing up for Rakuten without clicking the link, because sometimes if you sign in or sign up on your own without clicking the link in the description box, which is an affiliate link that'll get you a $30 bonus for doing so. If you just sign up on your own, it's probably not going to give you anything. So make sure you sign up through my link. And like I said, if you shop at Target, Bed Bath & Beyond, Nike, etc., there's various different stores that you can shop through Rakuten. You have to log into Rakuten, click over to Office Depot Office Max. Once you're logged in, once you set it up, log in, search for Office Depot Office Max in there, click on over. It'll bring you to Office Depot Office Max. You're going to add your batteries, finalize your purchase, and in 24 hours, you'll get the, or 30 minutes, you'll get the batteries, obviously. The $30 bonus, it's every quarter that they accumulate. So you have 3 months to accumulate as much money as you can shopping online through Rakuten. You'll get your $30 bonus every quarter, and it'll come in a big fat check. That's what they call it, a big fat check. Literally, they mail you a check to your home that you could just go in cash or deposit into your account. Or you could sign up through PayPal and just simply get the money through PayPal every quarter. So you have a whole 3 months to shop through Rakuten and earn additional monies. Sign up through the link in order for you to get the $30 bonus for new signups. Make sure if you already have it, if you don't have it, set up a new account, use a different email address, set up through Facebook with your Apple ID, etc., Google ID. And don't forget to make your purchase of your Duracell batteries in order for you to get the free Dawn. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.